Look, this video is for you. If you have 10,000 naira OPAY balance, this is what you must do, okay? This thing is going to help you. I remember when I first started earning a salary, okay? When I started first earning salary and I received money, I used to think that OPAY is a scam, OPAY is this, OPAY is that. Because of all this MFB, I was like, microfinance banks, they cannot last long. And then at a certain point, they're going to crash and all my money is going to be gone. But there's one lesson I learned, and OPAY helped me. Look, once you receive your salary, once you receive your salary, know that 10% of that salary belongs to yourself. 10% of the salary you must pay yourself. Pay yourself 10%. It's going to build a very, very strong habit for you. So that anytime there's an emergency, okay, anytime things go wrong, emergency, you can always have something to fall back on. 10% is for you, but how are you going to save this thing? Okay, it's not about saying 10%, but how are you actually going to save this money? Because a lot of people have problem actually saving the money. They have the intention of saving the money, but how they are going to save that money? Should I go and give to someone to hold for me? Should I give it to my mother to hold for me? I cannot hold it by myself. I'm going to lose the money. Or should I put it in an investment? Or should I do this? Should I loan it to my friend? Or what should I even do with the money? How am I going to save this money? This is where OPay comes in. I'm not trying to promote the app or anything. I'm actually telling you what's actually helping me. So once in an OPay app or even PalmPay or other things like that, you see a point in the account setting, the app system where they say save box. You see save box. You see something like targets. The reason why I'm sharing this thing is that it's not just about putting the money there, it's going to build in you what I call financial discipline. So in these things now, you can actually automate. Once you have 10,000 in your account now, you can automate that every day, a daily or weekly, that there should be deduction of at least 500 naira. 500 naira. The reason why I say 500 naira is because once there is a deduction, automatic deduction of 500 naira, okay, you can tell yourself that automatically my money is being saved there. It is very, very important. It's like trying to remember when you are going to the market or in the villages when there's someone that comes around every day and comes to collect money, and then sign cards for people to tell them that their money is safe and everything. But with this app, okay, there's nothing for you to fear. It's going to help you to preserve your money. So take it that you're saving 500 naira every single day times 20 days. You have 10,000 naira for yourself. And just try to make sure that you do not break your commitment. Because if you break that commitment, you're going to pay the bank for their service. Okay, once you're able to complete this thing now, you know that you have money. So all you have to do is just wait for sending money to your OPay, sending money to this app, and then the money is going to be there for you. It helps you to build the discipline so that you know you can save the money. It's what I do to help me so that I do not spend all my money, because a part of your money is for you to keep. It's very, very important so that on the rainy day, so that when you need money for rent, so that when things go bad, you know that you have somewhere to fall upon, because nobody is ready to help anybody. Everybody has problems and they never stop having problems. And like always, my friends, I hope that you learn a lesson here, and I'm going to see you in the next one.